Could you understand what happened? Could you understand what happened?
Yes. Yes.
Actually, who gave the money? You tell. Who gave the money? The postmaster, post peon, the postal employees, and the postmaster friends gave the money in order not to break the in the heart of the farmer, heart of Lencho. But now Lencho is suspecting the postal employees, thinking that the postal employees were dishonest people. They are just like thieves. Could you understand? Huh? Should Lencho say like this? Should have a Lencho said like this? Lencho should not have said like this. In his second letter, Lencho asked for the rest of the money, that was 30 pesos, but unnecessarily blamed the post employees. That to do those who have given him the money. And at the end of the letter, he put his signature, Lencho. Could you understand? Now, let's have word dealing. The first word is the slightest, that is even least in Oriya lesa matra. Let's make a sentence. I did not have a slightest idea that it would happen. I did not have a slightest idea that my pen would be stolen. Next word is confidence, self-belief, atmavishwas. I have a confidence. I have a confidence that I must do well in the examination. Could you understand? I have a confidence that I must secure a good mark in mathematics in the examination. This is my self-confidence. This is my confidence. Next, wrinkling up brow. Wrinkling up brow. We wrinkle our brow. We wrinkle our brow to hate someone. We wrinkle our brow when we hate someone. Feast. Could you understand? Feast. My feast is bigger than Rajesh's feast. Because Rajesh is thin, I am fat. Could you understand? Liquid. To pass or move the tongue over a surface. When I came home, when I was back home, my pet dog started licking my feet. When I returned home, my dog started licking my foot. Affixed. We send letters affixed with a government stamp. We send letters affixed with a stamp. With a blow up his fist. Yesterday Rudra beat me with a blow up his fist. And it gave me a much pain. Just you write this sentence. Yesterday Rudra beat me with a blow up his fist. A bunch of crooks. A bunch of crooks. Robbers, thieves are a bunch of crooks. Could you understand? Now it's time for question answer. What was Lencho's reaction after getting the letter. The answer is, after getting the letter, Lencho got angry and the money he had received was only a bit more than half. Lencho got angry as the money he had received was only a bit more than half. That is why Lencho got angry. But he did not thank God for the amount he had received. He got angry for the amount he had not received. But he forgot to thank God for the amount that God had sent for him. Is it a right thing? We should praise and we should blame. We should praise for the amount we have received and we should blame for the amount we have not received. But totally, Lencho did not praise God. Rather, he blamed. Actually, he did not blame God. He did blame the other person. Lencho's thought was that God had sent him the amount he had asked for, but in the middle of God's giving and Lencho's receiving, somebody might have made some mistake and took 30 pesos from the amount God has sent. This was the thinking of Lencho. Could understand? Next, what would be the reaction of the post office employees when they read the second letter? After reading the second letter, or when the post office employees read the second letter, they might have felt somewhat displeasure at Lencho's ill comment on them. Could understand? I think they might have, may not be true, but the person who helped Lencho were blamed. So I think after reading the second letter, or when the post office employees read the second letter of Lencho, they might have felt somewhat displeasure at the Lencho's ill comment on them, and this is the end of the story, A Letter to God. Could you understand? We will discuss the other grammatical points, language work, vocabulary develop things in our next session. Till then, bye.